What's up? It's your big brother Tren Genius, and you tuned in once again to the famous Living Room Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we do right. Listen, you gotta say it with big bro one more time, man. Listen. Listen, turn the volume up, because you know we about to talk about this real shit, man. Listen. This shit is only getting worse and worse and worse for your haters, for people that don't want to see you do good. It's only getting worse and worse every single day that goes by. You know why? Because look, they don't want to give you your credit. They don't want to recognize your greatness. They don't want to say, you got it. All right, you the chosen one. You the man. You good. You good at what you do. You good. They don't want to say that. But at the same time, they are obsessed with you and they don't want you to know that either. Man, listen, man. It's your big brother Tren Genius. Hey, stay tuned to the end of this video because today I got something special for you. It's different, okay? Shh, I ain't gonna tell y'all. All right, but if you stay tuned to the end of this video, big brother want to announce something. Yeah, I got something I want to announce to you today. Man, let's talk about this real quick. Listen, if you know who you are, and I'm assuming if you subscribe to my channel, you know who you are, chosen one. All right, I don't even expect you to watch this video and understand what the hell I'm talking about if you're not a chosen one. You're gonna click off because that's what you programmed to do. All right, but if you are a chosen one and you know who you are at this point, that attitude that you have when you walk outside, or, you know, the way that you carry yourself now when you go around crowds of people, or when you hanging around your family, or, you know, it's just that light that just comes off of you everywhere you go, and you wear it proud now. You happy to be who you are because you realize you chosen. You realize you're not like nobody else. You realize that God made you different and you walking in your light. If you have come to that realization, then it's going to be a lot of people who not going to like who you are. All right. They knew who you were before you knew who you was. Before you could see yourself, other people could see the specialness that you are. OK, people could see your gift and your talent. People knew that you was very, very smart. All right. People knew before you knew you was going to be somebody. You know, they always knew you was going to be the one in your family to become successful. They always knew that you got the vision, but they never wanted to recognize it. And listen, I know, big brother, no, listen. And it's funny because still to this day, no matter how hard you go, no matter how much you grind, no matter how much you produce results day after day after day, they still quiet, ain't they? They still on hush mouth mode. Ain't that sad? You know why? Listen, I'm gonna tell you this. Listen, one thing you gotta understand is that if you got a vision, if you got this purpose or whatever you're trying to accomplish in your life, one thing that you got to understand that you doing God's work. Okay? You doing God's work. You are chosen one, chosen, specially hand selected by God. God said, no, I don't want them because I already know where they hard at. God said, no, I see how they doing. I see how they treating you. See, they didn't want to recognize the God in you when they saw the God in you. That's the problem. That's what God doing through you. See, your dream, your vision, your purpose, your passion. Listen, this is God's plan. All right. This is God doing his work through you because he upset with some people. All right. Yeah, he using you. That's why you the black sheep of your family. That's why you stand out from everybody. That's why it was so hard for you to realize that all your indifferentness and your little weird qualities that you have. That's why it was hard for you to accept yourself the whole time. Because you was a divine being. It's nobody like you. See, everybody else out here want to be photocopies of other people. You know what I mean? Most of the girls nowadays, they wearing the same shit the other girls wearing. You know what I'm saying? Got the same hair and shit. Same old job done on their bodies and shit. But see, you different. You different. You don't want to be like them. You don't want to be like your friend. And I'm going to tell you one thing about your friend. I don't know who I'm talking to, but you got a friend that's jealous of you. My intuition just told me to say that. Okay? If you watching this video, you got a best friend. And you be noticing it sometimes. Sometimes your best friend be doing some shady shit. Sometimes they be doing some shady shit and you be like, hold on, like, what did I do? What did I do? You know what I mean? She just called my phone and I called right back and she ain't answered the shit. What is going on? Listen, I'm gonna tell you, some of y'all got some jealous friends that's clinging to y'all, all right? They are obsessed with you, okay? They want to be like you. Hell, they want to be with you. As a matter of fact, beware of some of your friends. All right. Some of your friends that's closest to you are becoming very, very envious of you. And if you're not careful, they're going to start doing some very manipulative shit. All right. I already told y'all, don't trust nobody. Okay. The only person you should be trusting is yourself and God. Don't trust nobody. Okay, comment below right now at the bottom of this video and say, big brother, I don't trust nobody. Where they do that at? Listen, you can't trust nobody on this path because everybody gonna know that it's something different about you. And as soon as they notice that it's something different about you that's not like the last man, okay? You ain't like the last man. They gonna start playing the games. Let the games begin. Let the games begin. And some of y'all gonna wonder. Some of y'all gonna wonder. You're gonna be like, yo, what the fuck have I done? What the fuck have I done? People gonna ghost you and just go MIA just like that. Right when y'all meet, the person go MIA. Okay? Right when you try to get to know somebody, you think it's all good. They smiled in your face. Yeah, yeah. Y'all ate together. Y'all went out together. Yeah. Y'all met each other and went and had fun. Had a blast, as a matter of fact. But when y'all get back, let the games begin. People gonna start showing you their true colors. I'm telling you, because they don't want you. They don't want to recognize your greatness. They don't want you to know that you are successful, and they don't like that because you in a much better position than them. See, one thing you gotta understand is that when you becoming successful, all right, when you keep becoming your greatest potential and you leveling up your life and you love yourself, some people don't want you to love yourself. Some people don't want you to love yourself because they don't love themselves. All right. See, most of the time, what God will do, he'll put you around people that he wants to change heart. Sometimes God will put you around narcissists because he wants this stubborn ass narcissist to wake up and to realize who in control, who head in charge. Because y'all know how narcissists and controlling people is. They always want to be in charge. They always want to be right, but they never don't want you to know that you right. They don't never want you to get no credit. They don't never want you to make the plans. And these be the ones that's obsessed with you. These are the ones that want to control your life. They want to tell you what they do. And then they going to turn their back on you just because you don't listen to their command. Oh, where they do that at? Listen, they don't want to give you the credit. Okay, that's why people play games. That's why they started to play games. Listen, when somebody come into your life and they first meet you, you know the first thing they gonna damn do. You know what they gonna do. They gonna study you. They gonna analyze you. They gonna observe you. They gonna check your accounts. They gonna check your Facebook. They gonna check your Instagrams. They gonna check your damn YouTube channel. They gonna check everything. They gonna see who you related to. They gonna, oh damn, this is a successful family. They gonna start hating. They gonna start hating. Ah damn, all your pictures, you got all your pictures by a real photographer. They gonna start hating. Oh, you always look nice when you take your, they gonna start hating. Oh, you went to the beach again and again and again. They gonna start hating. And you be wondering, is it me? Am I the problem? Why these people treating me like this? Because they are becoming obsessed with you, but they don't want you to know that they know that you the chosen one, okay? That shit disturbs people. It startles people. People don't know how to deal with it, okay? You know why? Because you like, God is using you to show them. Listen, comment below and say, listen, it's your big brother Tren channel, man. Subscribe. Comment below and just tell everybody, say subscribe to Big Brother Tren Genius, man. Listen. That's why so many people, not only do they turn their back, not only do they play these little games with you, okay, these little antics and stuff, like they don't see you, okay? They don't see you calling. They don't see you text. They want to be busy. They trying to make you think that their life is important like yours. So what they try to do? Play games with you, ghost you, defriend you, okay? Don't call you. They trying so hard to make you not think that you the greatest one. They trying so hard to make you think that you are irrelevant. You don't matter. No, we ain't looking. No, we don't care about what you doing. No. We not gonna like your pictures. No. But the whole time, here what they doing, look. What she do today? What he do today? What he do today? I don't like that. What he do today? Soon as they woke up this morning, here they go. What they do today? They all on you. They obsessed with you. They always watching you. Listen, I don't know who I'm talking to right now, but if you think it's some people that you know you love the most, you know y'all got good friendship, you know y'all had a great relationship, you know you ended it on good terms and no bridges was burned. I can guarantee you, if they trying to play dumb like they don't know that you the one, I can guarantee you, them the ones that sitting back thinking about you. They sitting back watching you. They are obsessed with you. All right? You gonna run into people, listen, you gonna run into people for the first time. And once they find out what you do, they got contact. Okay? That quick, that simple, that easy. All right? That's how quick you gonna be making people like see who you really truly are. It's like as soon as you get around them, as soon as they get back home and they do their research and shit, because you know that's what they gonna do nowadays. Google it. Once they see who you is and they done studied you, they like, oh my God, yeah. This is the person that you the person that they've been looking for the whole time. The whole time. See, he always wanted a woman like you. He always been looking for a woman like you. But now that he finally got one, he don't know what to do. He's about to have a seizure. He don't even know how to approach you. He don't even know how to talk to you. He don't even know how to show chivalry. He don't even know how to take you out. Okay? Because he don't know what to do. His head is spinning. His head is spinning. And y'all be wondering where a good man at, where the good man at. Listen. Sometimes you can be so chosen, okay? You can be so chosen, so anointed, and just so blessed. It's just leaking off of you, okay, into the universe. You could be so good and so beautiful. You have people who are literally, they don't want to give you the credit for it. They don't want to give you the credit for it. And you know they know because you can see it in the way they start acting. Now, listen, on the contrary to that, you definitely gonna have a lot of people that do this too. Beware. Listen, it's your big bro Tren Genius, man. Y'all know what we doing constantly. Co-creating our own reality. See, you a star seed. All right. You always shining everywhere you go. You shine naturally. You don't even gotta try. Most people gotta try to shine. They gotta wear jewelry, fancy clothes, designers, Gucci's, Louis Vuitton, all this bullshit. Okay, and they still miserable. They still cannot have the same anointment as a chosen one. No matter what they look like, they still suffering. They still upset with the world. Don't trust nobody. Don't be so quick to jump into a relationship with somebody. Because see, once you realize who you is and people can see that, they can see that confidence on you, they can see you going somewhere, they gonna want to get with you and be with you so bad. You know what I mean? They gonna want to hang out with you so bad. They gonna want to hang around you because they know you got the bag. They know you got the money and they gonna want to be in your shadow. They gonna want to be in your spotlight because they know you got something. That's how people is when they don't have nothing. They always want to beat and leech off of you. People gonna always be wanting a free handout. You got some, give me some more. Give me this. What can you do for me? Give me that. Because they know you the chosen one. They know all the blessings being dumped in your life. Comment below right now and say, God blessing the dumpers in my life. I just said the dumpers. God dumping the blessings in my life. Okay, and you get your own shit, you get your own crib. These people is never gonna say congratulations. They're never gonna throw you a party. They're never gonna throw you a surprise party like they did to all the other family members and shit who ain't nothing today. All right, they never gonna say you are the one. They're never gonna say you're gonna be successful. I know it. I had a dream about you. They're never gonna tell you about the dream that they having about you. All right, because they obsessed with you. Okay, a person who's obsessed with another person, they don't really want to let that person know. All right, they just stay behind the scenes. They just lurk and they look. They go get information. They think about you and come up in imagination with some bullshit, and then they think about you again, and then they go look and see what you're doing again, and then they think about you again. They go look. They scared. They never gonna show you that they are obsessed with you. They're never gonna show you that they like you and they want to be like you and they look up to you. Man, listen, you gotta say it with me one more time, man. Listen. So I just got on here to let y'all know, listen, hey, I'm just a mailman. Don't get mad at me. I just deliver the messages, man. It's your big brother, Trenius. Make sure that you comment below what you think about this video. Do you know for a fact you got people that's obsessed with you, but they won't give you no credit? They won't recognize you. They won't do so much as like a photo. If you know you got people like that in your life, friends, family, make sure you comment below and let me know. All right? Speak up, let your voice be heard. Now, I told you, if you stay tuned to the end of this video, your big brother Tren got something special for you. Look, y'all know what I've been rocking. It's my own glasses, my own 888 glasses, man. This is a new glass line that I got called Tren 888. Now, this is what I'm gonna do. Now, that ain't for free. Don't ask me no handouts. But they quality, these come straight from Italy, okay? Straight from Italy. Great lens, everything. That's all I be wearing when y'all see me on my Instagram. Y'all see me taking pictures. I'm always got on my own sunglasses, Tren 888. The reason why I call it Tren 888 is because when you looking through the lenses, you can see the 8s in the top right-hand corner of the lens, and it just always reminds you of money because the number 8, okay, it represents money. All right, so that gets into your subconscious mind, and then you start seeing more 8s and you start attracting more prosperity and more money in your life. And so I got a few glasses here right now. If you want a pair of these glasses, all right, just hit me up on my email and say, Big Brother Tren G, send me some glasses, all right? Inexpensive, but they quality, high quality. You'll see the screws when you get them, all right? But I got a few right here that's in supply. Okay, if you demand to have some, make sure you send Big Bro an email and you can get your own Tren 888 glasses, all right? Now, other than that, if some of y'all that I've been talking to this morning, I know one of y'all I called out there, you didn't answer the phone. I'm gonna call you again after this video. If you want a session with Big Brother, okay, look in the very bottom of the comment section and click that square app. Just book your session right now if you want to talk to me about these Decepticons, all right? If you want to talk to me about yourself being chosen. If you want to talk to Tren Genius because you know you got people out there that's obsessed with you, all right? Or if you just want to talk to me one-on-one, make sure you book a session right now. It's your big brother Tren G. Subscribe to my channel and make sure you check out some other videos right here in the meantime. It's your big brother Tren G, man. I'll see y'all on the phone call. Peace.